Before hitting the glitch delay block, make sure your signal's super stable. I'm hitting it with a little compression and also a low cut to cut out any sub-frequencies. I'm then splitting the path using a split AB to retain some of that dry signal. Make sure to be super liberal with the mix on the glitch delay. It's very hard to be musical if it's set too high. Lastly, I'm sending these through the particle reverb block. You can find this under the Legacy tab in Reverbs.